To clean your leafy greens, submerge them in water and vinegar. Swish vigorously and let the dirt settle. Now, lift the greens out before draining the water. To clean firm produce, use a dedicated vegetable brush. Then, rinse thoroughly. Don't soak fresh mushrooms. They'll absorb water. Just wipe them with a damp cloth. Give berries a quick vinegar dip right before eating. Wash the outside with tap water and a brush before peeling. Otherwise, the knife drags exterior bacteria directly into the flesh. Don't wash produce before storing it. Added moisture speeds up mold and rotting. Instead, wash them right before you prep. The exception? Leafy greens are okay, but only if spun completely dry. Keep fresh produce out of the sink. Always use a colander or a large, clean bowl. Create a barrier between food and the sink.
When washing fruits and vegetables, plain running water is the gold standard. Never use soap or bleach, as produce can absorb these chemicals. Just rub them under the tap and enjoy.